Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And as we all know that tomorrow NFP is coming out. So yes, market will be waiting for the big event NFP. As a result of which we may not get to see a volatile market or we may not get to see a trending market till tomorrow. Because whenever a big news is about to come, market prefers to wait. So in this type of market condition, it's better to wait and trade from level to level only. But if you're a swing trader, if you're holding any position, buy sell doesn't matter, you can be on the trade. But if you're a day trader or if you're looking for fresh positions, then before NFP it's better to trade from level to level only. So let's get started. So first of all, we can see that after this downside, market tried to recover. Yesterday gold made a high of 1974.75 and right now gold is standing at 1964. This is the current market price. The most significant thing that we need to focus here is that previously gold was forming lower highs and lower lows. Gold again formed a lower low, but this time you can see that gold broke the previous high. Gold formed a higher high, and if gold again forms a higher low, not again, if gold forms a higher low this time, try to understand my point here. This video can be a little bit complicated, so please watch the video carefully. If you're busy right now, you can watch the video later. Okay, so gold was in downtrend. Gold was forming lower highs and lower lows. Here also market formed a lower low like the previous time, but when market bounced, gold broke the previous high and gold broke the higher high. And next time when gold will be coming down, if gold forms a higher low, instead of forming a lower low, if gold forms a higher low, there's a high chance that by next week we will get to see a trend reversal on the chart of gold. This is how we can identify or spot a trend reversal on charts. So next low of gold will be very important. And if you look at the news here, then you can see gold price boosted as treasury yields slip ahead of debt ceiling resolution. And if you look at the US government bonds chart, you can see that bond market witnessed heavy selling, took support around the 100 moving average, and right now bond market is also trying to recover. In case during the day bond slips, then you can expect this particular level around 3.554% to work as the next support because of 200 moving average, and we also have FIBO 50% retracement around this area. So yes, though bond market is trying to recover, in case it fails also we have immediate support available as well. Now let's talk about the chart of gold again. So first of all, we have two strong levels in the form of resistance on the chart of gold, where good amount of sellers or strong sellers are present. First of all, we have 2001. We have 2001 to 2005 as the strongest resistance because of previous support around this area, as well as we have FIBO 50% retracement level. In case gold shows extreme upside before NFP, you can expect strong sellers present around this area. If market reverses, you can look for a sell position around 2001, 2003, 2005 level. But 2001, 2005 is quite far away from the current market price. So the next immediate resistance, or next immediate reliable resistance, is around 1988 to 1984. Is around 1980, not 1980, actually 84. 1984 to 1988 is the immediate reliable resistance where you can expect good sellers to be present. We can see previous price rejection around this area. Previous price rejection around this area. We also have FIBO 38.2% retracement around this area, and we also will be having the red line 200 moving average around 1984, 85, 86 level. In case gold shows upside also, 84, 85 will be a resistance for the market, and I'm pretty much sure that gold will be facing some trouble. In case a news doesn't come out and spoils everything, market will be facing serious selling pressure. If market reverses according to our expectations, we can definitely go for a sell position. And if we look at the forexfactory.com or economy calendar, you can see that yes, today also we have some news. So be careful during the news because market may try to break the levels. And you have heard me saying 1,000 times that whenever fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail. The only way to trade, or only safe way to trade in news, during news, is that try to follow the trend. Okay, so whatever we are talking about or discussing right now may not work during the news, because when fundamentals will dominate, technicals may fail. Okay, but still we have two strong levels around 2001, 2005, and also 1988 to 1984. These are two levels you can expect to work nicely if there is no impact of the news in the market or before news. Okay, and during the day we have 1974. During the day we have 1974 as the next resistance for the market. Keep in mind this 1974-75 level, 1974-75 level, okay, will not work in the US session. This level is not very strong, this level is weak as a resistance, so you cannot expect 1974-75 to work during the US session, because all the levels in the market do not have the same strength. This is a weak resistance. During the day, if you see the market is not very volatile, market is struggling, then you can expect market to reverse from this level here. If market reverses, definitely you can go for a sell position. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, but not during the US session, it may not work because during high volatile markets. Clear? And these are the three levels, three resistances on the chart of Euro USD. Sorry, gold USD. Okay, and if market breaks gold 1975 also, okay, you can look for a risky buy position above this level. Risky buy above 1975, above 1975 level, but try to take a sell position around these levels when there will not be any news in the market. So we have three resistances on the chart of gold: 2001, 2005, 1984 to 88. These are reliable resistances, and we have 1974, 75, but that level is quite weak. It may not work during the US session. Okay, now let's talk about the other levels on the chart. For that we need to switch to the 15 minutes time frame. So right now we are on the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that on the 15 minutes time frame we have the trend line acting as the support for the market. So this trend line is also not very reliable, I'll say, because this is a trend line from the 15 minutes time frame. High time frame, high reliability; low time frame, not low reliability. We must understand. Okay, so during the day, during the Asian session, European session, if you see market taking support around the trend line and bouncing, you can also consider a buy position. Especially for day traders, you can expect a move of around 30 to 40 pips. If not a big move, at least you can expect 30 to 40 pips if market takes support around the trend line. But this trend line is for 15 minutes time frame, to switch to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, level, what will be the level? As the trend line is a dynamic support, we do not have any exact number, but still it will be around 1962, 1963 level, around 1962. Okay, so these are the levels on the chart of gold for us. The strongest support, okay, in case there is a drop, okay, in case there is a drop in the market, the strongest support on the chart of gold is around 1908 to 1910. This is the strongest support on the chart of gold. But before news, okay, before news we also have 1950, okay, we also have 1950 to 51 also as another support, because as I mentioned at the start of the video, that recently gold has formed a higher high. So next low of gold will be very, very important. If gold forms a higher low, this will be an indication that maybe market is getting ready, getting prepared for a trend reversal. But still, market drops during the news, you can expect 1908, 1910 to work as the next best support. 1950, 51 is also present, but the strongest one is 1908 to 1910 level. Okay, lastly, If gold breaks 1950 level with good amount of volume, if you see that gold is going down with big red candles, you can also look for a sell position below 1950. These are the levels from my analysis. I can be wrong as well, my dear friends, because I'm also a trader like you. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do your own research. Bye bye. Take care.